In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create high-quality dubs using AI. Let's get started. Open your browser and type 11 Labs in the search bar. Click on the first website that appears. Once you're on the homepage, click Get Started for free. On the sign up page, you can either sign up with your Google account or manually enter your email and password. Don't forget to verify your email through the link sent to you. Once done, sign in with your credentials. After logging in, you can skip the intro if you'd like. Now, on the main interface, look at the left-hand side menu and click on Dubbing Studio. In the newly opened Dubbing Studio, click on Create a Dub. Enter a title for your dub. Below, you'll see multiple options to upload your audio. You can manually upload a file or use a link from social media or other sources. Once you've added your media, select the source language of your video and the target language for the dub. Finally, hit Create Dub and let 11 Labs work its magic. After your dub is ready, click on the three dots next to your file and select Download. And that's it. You've successfully created a high-quality dub for your video.